All right, so you're wondering how to do this problem. Where does f of x equal g of x? So f of x and g of x are the names of the function. So I could say, where does the red line equal the blue line? And that is going to be right here where they cross. So in this case, it's going to be 0, -2. Second question says, what is f of 0 plus g of 0? So remember, f of 0 is the coordinate 0, blank. So f of 0 is 0, blank. In this case, it's 0, -2. G of 0 is the coordinate 0, blank, but it's on the other line. Well, g of 0 here on both lines is -2. Because remember, it's a coordinate 0, -2. So -2 plus -2 is -4. So we're looking at f of 0 is -2, g of 0 is -2. We're adding them and we get -4. The next question says, on what interval is g of x greater than f of x? So I'm going to color here where g of x is greater, and it's not a very big interval. It's just right in through there. So how would we describe that interval? Well, remember, interval is your shadow, your x-coordinates. So my interval here looks like it's -9 to -8. But the fact is that it's going to this line's going to keep going up, this line's going to keep going that way, so it really starts before -9. And so you're thinking, well, when does it start? Is it -10, -11? It's going to start on -infinity and all the way to -8. And that's where g of x is greater than f of x. And then there's going to be another interval where g of x is greater again. So hold on, that's not two infinities. -infinity to -8. And then we have to look, well, when does it go back up again? Here at 0, remember we're looking for x-coordinates. So the x-coordinates, when it starts to be bigger again, start at 0. The x-coordinates right here are all x-coordinates where the blue line is up. The x-coordinates here were all x-coordinates where the blue line was up. So we need to put the x-coordinates where the blue line is up, so that's going to be 0 to infinity.